Flossing for Kids. It is a well-known fact that flossing is important for adults. It is a part of oral hygiene, but very few people think about the importance of flossing for children. Is flossing important? Plaque builds up when a kid's teeth are close enough. This is the time when a child should start flossing. Unfortunately, parents are not very serious when it comes to flossing for kids. The benefits of flossing. What does flossing actually do? It is in fact removes food particles caught between teeth. If there is a debris between teeth, plaque will build up and bacteria will multiply. Many kids have to deal with cavities. Flossing prevents cavities. It also prevents gum disease and bad breath. When should children start flossing? You need to start flossing for your child when he is or she is 2 to 3 years old. By the age of 6, your child's baby teeth will come close together. When should you encourage your kids to floss on their own? It depends on your child's motor skills. Show your child how to floss. Use a water flosser. Remind your kids to maintain regularity. Visit the dentist. Let your child shop for floss. Practice the technique with your child. Chart their progress. For more information on how to manage your oral health, visit our website www.waterflosserguide.com.